Hi, my name is Gang Chun. I'm from Primary 6 Babua. I'm going to tell about Mr. Time. Time is really important. If we don't know time, you will be late for an event or you might not know when to work and when to study. 24-hour notation and 12-hour notation. In 12-hour notation, we use AM or PM to write time. Time from midnight to noon is AM and from noon to midnight is PM. 24-hour notation don't use AM or PM to write time. Time is written in 4 digits. The first 2 digits represent hour and the last 2 digits represent minute. We can convert from 12-hour notation to 24-hour notation. Converting 12-hour notation to 24-hour notation. In AM, for example, 9:35 AM, we remove the AM. And if the how have one digit, add 0 to the beginning. So 0935. And one thing important is the midnight 12 a.m. For 12 a.m. we cannot do like this and we don't need to do like this. Firstly, we remove the a.m. and we change 12 into 0. And we got 00.00. In PMs, example is 6:15 p.m. We remove the PM and add 12 hour. 6:15 plus 12 hour equal 18:15. 18:15 is the answer, but one thing important about this is also 12 p.m., which is noon, and 12 p.m. is thing that is make you a bit confused because we remove the PM, but we don't need to add 12 hour. If we add 12 hour, it will be 24 hour, which is not okay. So for 12 hours, we just don't need to add anything and get the answer like 12 a.m. So it will be just 12:00. Converting from 24 hour to 12 hour. If it is greater than 12 hour, example is like 14:45. Step 1 is to subtract 12 hour from the hour portion. 14 minus 12 is 2. Step 2 is to put back the portion 45 back into the number, which is 2:45. Step 3 is add PM. PM 2:45. And one thing important is if this equal to 12 noon. Example is 12:00. Step 1 is add PM after the time. And that's only what you need to do because we don't need to add the or subtract from the hour portion. And if it is less than 12:00, example is 06:15. Step 1 is to add AM. After the time, 6:15 AM will be the answer. So it is easy. But one thing is 12 midnight, which we call it 00:00. And the example is like 0:00:10 or 00:20 or 00:30 and so on. Step 1 is to add 12 because we need to make it to a 12-hour time, so we need to add 12 and put the PM, then you will get the answer. From left to right, it is 12 hour or midnight to the next 12-hour midnight. From left to right, it is increasing the numbers from 0 to 24. Thank you everyone. I hope you enjoy my presentation.